Ultra-lightweight MMO, MOBA mouse. The SteelSeries Aerox 9 is an excellent piece of kit worthy of any fan's attention. Break the barriers of demanding MMO and MOBA gaming with an industry-leading, ultra-lightweight 89 grams Aerox 9 wireless, combining a lightweight design with excellent battery life and a buttery smooth overall feel. 18 programmable buttons. You can reprogram any of the buttons to perform macros or a variety of productivity commands. Ergonomic 18-button programmable layout with a 12-button side panel made for quick access to abilities and macros in an easy-to-learn design. Next-gen dual wireless. Thinking about wireless? Wireless is nothing to worry about. 2.4 GHz provides you a range of polling rates that can reach up to 1000 Hz divided by 1 ms. This will provide you gaming-grade performance with no latency using a wireless dongle that connects to your device. Bluetooth has a default polling rate of 125 Hz divided by 8 ms and does not require a dongle on any Bluetooth 5.0 compatible devices. 180-hour battery life. SteelSeries Aerox 9 wireless has a battery life of up to 80 hours while connected with its USB receiver, or up to 180 hours connected via Bluetooth, with only 15 minutes of charging for over 40 hours of gameplay and glory. The RGB lighting will flash red when the battery life is 5% or less. Aqua barrier protection. The IP54 rated aqua barrier protects the Aerox 9 wireless from dust, dirt, oil, and debris so you can focus on the game. This barrier shields interior circuitry from virtually all types of environmental damage. TrueMove air sensor. Incredible sensor performance, unrivaled precision with one-to-one tracking brings you absolute control. The groundbreaking sensor, co-developed with Pixar, features 18,000 CPI, 400 IPS, 40G acceleration and tilt tracking, making the mouse an extension of your hand to dominate in game. 100% PTFE glide skates. Designed with 100% pure PTFE to provide the smoothest swipes and enhanced control for super fast mouse movement. For gamers, it's generally accepted that PTFE is one of the best choices and is the most popular. SteelSeries Engine offers an arsenal of different customizations, from RGB lighting to adjusting the mouse sensor CPI, and triggering lighting effects within game events from GameSense-enabled titles. USB-C Super Mesh cable. SteelSeries provides an adapter so you can plug the dongle into a USB-A port, as well as use the Aerox as a wired mouse via the bundled, braided USB-C cable. Brilliant Prism Sync lighting. Redesigned lighting provides 3 zones of 16.8 million beautifully crisp colors that can synchronize with other SteelSeries products. Choose from millions of colors and effects, from reactive lighting to interactive light shows that bring RGB to the next level.